Hey, good morning. This is Julie. It's July 16th, 5:23 a.m. And I'm taking a look at an ominous crude today. I'm telling you what, I am seeing Will Robinson, danger, warning, warning, warning. I don't know how many of you are like me who remember Lost in Space, but anytime you hear Will Robinson saying warning, danger, 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 it is time to pay attention. We have a head and shoulders setting up on the 30-minute that looks freaky. Here's our left shoulder, here's our head, and guess what? We've got the 50% line coming up of this previous swing high low, not the round the world trip yesterday, but that was the head. So if we get this right shoulder, it's right now coming back off the 38.2%, but I bet it spikes back up to this 50%. It could even get back up to the 61.8, but I bet the 50% line, because that's the midline and the VWAPs, all this right here in the low. So, and here's our naked point of control up here. So somewhere between the naked point of control and the 50% line, this is probably going to start rolling back over. It's going to come down and hit yesterday's close, okay, to fill the gap. And once it fills that gap, it's going to hit this neckline, okay? Here's our neckline. Once it fills this gap, it's going to hit this neckline. And on our daily, I just drew my line, it's going to come back down. Normally on these, I buy the bottom and bring it back up. You just sell the top and buy the bottoms. But I don't think this is going to range like that. I think this is coming back down because of this head and shoulders. So if we break the neckline, it's going to run all the way down to 49.24 or 47.39. So I'm going to keep those fibs on here for the time being. And today, if we break the neckline, 50.31, absolutely for a first target, okay? Leave a runner, 49.24. So it would be awesome to start selling this here, but mea culpa, don't start selling it on green. And I'm talking to myself, I'm yelling at me, because that's what I was doing yesterday. Even though I had red on my momentum on that 9:30 pop, right here, this candle where it went all the way back up, 100 tick move on a retracement up and down. Even though I did not wait for this to turn red, I was trading against my strategy again, meaning I was trying to sell too soon. I was trying to sell every single friggin' level, and I was killing myself. And I'm tired of killing myself. It's much easier to wait, watch the 30 slope line, which I watch, trade in that direction, but wait on your lower time frame for price to start rolling around. It's not the time to roll around. I've got my directional guide up here. It's still going green, even though we've got red. Wait for the setups. So if I use my momentum, I do have reds. I can show you momentum that's coming down, but I want to wait for the setup to complete with the direction guide. And right now that's empty. I want to wait for this neckline to break. I want to wait for it to get below the close, if possible, and confirm that that is going to be the trade of the day. Because I guarantee you, if it comes down here and breaks this neckline, the least we can do is have this, wherever this value low is, that's going to be your, tuck your stop behind here. So you may have some 50-cent risk here, but I do think that when this breaks, we're going to get some volatility down here, big time. So breaks this previous day VWAP right here, 51.56. Be looking for your short momentum. But that's my trade of the day in crude. And if it does hit that neckline, I think that we're going to see a very, very fast sell-off. It should run. This should not be like hanging around thinking about what it's going to do. The market should find its direction and start selling off. So we might have a good day or two of down momentum today or tomorrow. Just depends on how much this 50 is going to be defended. And I think it's going to be very heavily defended, at least on the first touch. So be very careful when you get down here for the first touch. Lots of volatility. So y'all have a great trading day. Stay with your weekly, daily 60-15. See, it's not the time to be selling this right now. You may think it's coming down, but it's not. I would wait because I think we're going to pop back up. We haven't taken out this point of control. So I think this level has to be taken out before this comes down, but you never know. We're in between today's point of control and yesterday's. So just keep your eye out on this, and we'll talk at you tomorrow. Thank you.